It gives me the greatest of pleasure to announce the Zehnder Academy in Surrey Heath officially open.
Today we've opened the Zehnder Academy here in Camberley, UK. It's the first of its kind, a state-of-the-art training facility to upskill the industry in ventilation and heating solutions. Here in the new academy we have various stations to do upskilling of training, from design and installation right through to service and maintenance, following the whole process across the built environment. At the core of our facility we have Flat 51, which is a purpose-built flat that demonstrates where moisture comes from, how we deal with moisture, and talks about mould and condensation. The Mayor of Surrey Heath cut the ribbon to officially open our centre, and industry guests got to experience live demonstrations and practical lessons in design, install, service and maintenance. After all the effort that the team have put in here at Zehnder UK, I'm really excited to see what the future holds. From training new starters in the industry to training experienced people in the industry and helping create a better climate for the built environment.
It's a fantastic facility that Zehnder have built. The skill level of the trainers taking us through things and being able to do some hands-on practical work, which I've done today, has been really interesting.
It shows all the different stages from the conception of a product design, to the design stage, to the installation, the maintenance. And so this facility is really something where we fully stand behind and fully endorse, and we hope it will be used by many people in the industry.
There's a beautiful facility here. We've been seeing all the products on show, everything was hands-on. We've had really lovely presentations, and I'm really looking forward to being able to offer this to not only my own staff, but to advertise it within the industry for other people to learn and grow and build on their skills. Holding and feeling and putting together and using the product that they're physically going to be using on site, I think is really important. And being able to see them firsthand in a staged environment where you can ask the questions and you're not put on the spot makes it a really personable experience and a good experience for those trying to go out in the field and expand on their knowledge.